Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video, and today I'm using the gorgeous March Fox box and a stencil which I will link below in the description because I always forget those numbers. I'm starting off with some different shades of yellow brownish distress oxides to create a bit of a mixed media background. And for this layout, I'm using the November hip kit, uh, which is Christmassy, but I wanted to show that you can also use those gorgeous papers for different projects. And I must admit that that wood paper is from the October hip kit, so it's not all November. So I've cut out that pattern paper with the yellow drops, I call it drops, from the November kit, and I decided to recreate them in that wood paper. And I wanted to sew the middle of those ornaments, and it simply could not be done with my sewing machine because it ate up the paper because those ends are too thin. So I decided to simply use some embroidery floss and do it by hand. And I'm using a beige light brown embroidery floss. So when I'm done embroidering all those different elements, I will go and back my photo, and since there's green in the photo, I simply use a green cardstock as my first layer. And as you know, always roughing up the edges. And I'm using that wood paper as a second layer. And then it's time to start arranging those little ornaments and decide where to put my photo in this layout. And at first I put it on the right side, but since there is that blank space in the photo on the right side, it didn't feel as the right position for that photo. So I decided to move it to the left of my page. And I'm going to stick down those ornaments using some foam tape so that they have a bit of elevation, and I'm only taping them down in the middle so I can bend them a little so it gives more interest in that page. And there's no real thinking here, it's just what feels right and what I think looks nice. And then I'm using those gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper snips that we have in the box this month. They are so pretty and easy to fussy cut, because I know I love to fussy cut, but I know it's not for everybody, but these shapes are really doable, so have faith. So sticking down the photo also with a bit of foam tape. I always use foam tape or sheets of foam to give a bit more dimension, and time to glue that gorgeous photo title down with some glossy accents. And the reason why I only use tape in the middle of my photo is so that I can easily tuck things underneath. And the title wasn't really willing to stick, but second time around it stayed put. So here are the stars of the November hip kit, and as you see it is a Christmas kit, but it fitted, so why not use it on other projects? Simply see what you can use and what is not too Christmassy, because Merry photo would have been a bit strange, but I used the fun from the "Oh what fun" phrase that was in the kit and created a entirely different layout. The title is so gorgeous with that heart in the beginning. I love it. So I'm finishing it off with some oxide spray, scattered straw, I think, and I use that to splatter around. You can also do it with your oxide ink pad and simply put it on a piece of plastic and water it down, but that spray is way more easy to use. And that's it. Quick, simple. I hope you liked it and let me know what you think, and see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.